Hello everyone, this is another repair for a TV that has no picture. It's a LG 55UK6090PUA. This is the TV inside. We're going to check some voltage in the main board. All the time when you have no picture, we always go to the T-con board and measure the voltage. The voltage is over there. But in this LG, we don't have the T-con board alone, but we have the main board that has the T-con board belt in it. Let me test the TV first, show you that the TV has no picture. Yeah. And show all over. Oh, there is no picture. So the backlight is on, but there is no picture. So it is the backlight, you can see it is on, but there is no picture. Alright, for that we're going to go measure some voltage. Let's measure some voltages here. Come very close to this point here. Here we have a VDD. So this point here, it should be like 3 volt or something. A VDD. No voltage here. The other side too, we have H. Here we have H VDD. And we have the AVDD and VCDM. We have couple voltage that's we need to see them. Doesn't matter how much in the voltage, all we need is to see them. So no voltage here, no voltage here, no voltages here. And this point we have no voltage coming to the board. So let's check some voltage here in the main board. So we're gonna, this is the spot of this area here. This area here is the T-con board. We have the T-con processor, and we have the voltages coming from this chip and this chip as well. So let's check some these coils or some this coil capacitor here. We have 0 volt on the positive side of this capacitor, and this diode 0 volt. This coil here 0 volt. This coil here 0 volt. This coil here 1.5, that's the RAM and CPU and the controller voltage. This voltage here, nothing. The voltage is here, nothing. We check the voltages in some of these capacitors here. Some of these capacitors here, nothing. There is the voltage going to the chip, that's the input, nothing. No, there is 13 volt on the input, but this capacitor of the output, nothing. Nothing. So what we're going to do next, we're going to disconnect one of these. I'm going to plug the TV, turn it off, and I'm going to disconnect this one. Just one flex cable. LVDS flex cable that's going to the screen. Then we measure some voltages. So the TV is on, back on again after I unplug it. We're going to check the voltage in this big capacitor. We have 32 volt now. This diode 32 volt. This capacitor here 17 volt. This coil here, 8 volt. So we go to this chip, here the output of this chip, we shall find it in this capacitor, is a 17 volt. So we have some output voltages. Let's see if we have any picture on the screen. If we have the picture, it's going to be just a half picture. No, we have no picture. But we have very tiny lines. Yeah, no, there is no pictures, but very tiny lines. I don't know if basically there's still no picture. So what we're gonna do next, we're gonna unplug this one, but let's unplug the TV first. You can unplug it, and let's plug this one back, and we're gonna check if the voltages is gonna stay or they're gonna go. Just we wanna check what side of the screen, because if you look here on the screen, there is a left side and there is the right side. So each one it has one cable. So when we disconnect this one, we are checking if there is any short. I'm waiting for this phone to stop. So we are checking where is the short. Is this side or this side? Because the voltages is dropped to the zeros, mean there is a short somewhere on the screen. So after I disconnect this one, let's plug the TV back again. We have the backlight. Let's measure the voltage. So yeah, we have the voltages. So we still have the voltages. When I disconnect this one, we have the voltages. When I disconnect this one, we have the voltages. So basically, yes. Let's see if we have any pictures. We don't have the picture, but we have lines here. You can see them. Yeah, we have lines. So let's do something. So right now we don't know where is the short is on the side of the. Let me unplug the TV, plug everything back again. I'm going to grab a piece of the tape, get a little bit far. Just like this side. And so I'm going to start with this side. Gonna put one here, then if it didn't work, I'm gonna move to this side, then we go to the next one. So we're gonna cover the first ones. It's about like 6 or 8 of them. So it should be one of the traces are shorted, or a couple of them. So let me plug the TV. Let's see if we have any picture. So we have some kind of the picture, but the picture is it's weak. No, the picture shows, then go. Let's try again. Unplug the TV. I will plug it back, so just keep watching. I did see some kind of the picture flickering. then it's gone. So let's go to the next. So I'm gonna cover this side. Plug the TV back. We have some lines, but we have no picture. Some lines. So let's move to the other side. So we did test the right and left in this one. I'm gonna unplug the TV again. Let me put it this side. Plug everything back, and let's see if we're gonna get the picture. So didn't see nothing. Nothing. So we moved the tape to the other side of the same flex cable. So it was here. Now I move it to this side. Gonna plug the TV. Let's see if we can see the. We have LG picture. That's good. And we have the HDMI over there. You see it? Yeah, we have some picture here. All right, yeah. Let's bring the fire stick. So at the first, I cover like 8 pins here. Then I got the picture. Then after that, I start cutting off, taking off some pins and cover them from here. Start little by little till I reach the pin 6. When I take the tape from the pin 6, the pin 6, the picture gone. Yeah, at that moment I know this pin that's causing the issue. So I take the tape from all the rest of the pins and I left the tape just on the pin 6 like you see here, and I got the picture. And that's the pin that's causing the short. So let's plug it, boy. And yeah, we have the backlight. Let's see if we have the picture. And we have the picture. Yeah. So just one pin that's we are covering here. That's what is causing the problem. So this is all for this video. Thank you for watching. Hope this is gonna give you the idea to fix your TV if you have the same problem, and see you next one.